Namaskar students, welcome to your aptitude class. Let's start today's class with assignment 15 from chapter number 3, classification. In this we have to circle the odd one out object in each of the list. The first thing you can see here, apple, banana, brinjal, orange and mango. All others are fruits except brinjal. It's a vegetable. Number 2, you can see the vehicles here, but the horse is an animal. Here you can see the stationery item, but the mobile phone is a gadget. Just like all other things, you can see and find out odd one in each one of the list. In assignment 16, we need to cross the odd one out in each. Here you can see number 1. In this you can see this color dot is inside this pattern in each other options except option C, in which this color dot is little bit outside of the pattern. Number 2 is an abacus. In abacus you can see 5 dots in each, but option D is having 6 beads inside the abacus. So that is the odd one. We need to put a cross mark. So just like we need to observe all other patterns, we need to find out how one of them is the odd one, and we need to put a cross mark like this for each of the following. Assignment 17. In this we need to just put a tick mark on which is the odd one in this given circle. First, a pair of alphabets given to us, A, B, L, M, T, U and N, Q. So in this, all the alphabets here you can see are in correct pairs, but N after next alphabet O needs to be there, but NQ is given. So that is the odd one. Put a tick mark like this. Then the set of numbers. Here you can see the hundreds and the ones place having the same digits on both the place, but this 403 having different digits on both the places, so it's an odd one. Just like we need to do with all other circles, need to find out and put the tick mark to the odd one. Assignment 18 is an interesting story of a wise crow, and here we have given pictures from the story. We need to arrange the pictures, give them numbers so that we can form a proper story. First, number 1, the crow is flying in search of water. Number 2, a crow found a pot full of water, but he was not able to drink the water. Number 3, he is thinking of doing something so that he can drink the water. Number 4, he found some pebbles lying on the floor. Number 5, the crow is picking the floor with his beak. And number 6, he is throwing all the pebbles inside the pot. And number 7, the water is coming up and the crow drank the water. And in number 8, the crow finally flew. Assignment 19 is also an ordering, means we need to put numbers number 1 to number 12 according to the order of months of the year in which each child is born. So for example, if this boy is having a birthday in March, so what number will give to this boy? Number 3, because March is the 3rd month of the year. Just like we'll do with all other months of the year, we'll give them a number. Assignment 20 is again a finding out of missing item in each of the square boxes. A, B, B, C, set of alphabets given in pairs. So what will come here in this empty box? X, Y. So Y again will put here. So next alphabet Z. So Y, Z we need to find out from here. So it's in option E. So first, option E, we'll write down alphabet E over here in the given box. For number 2, the correct smiley, missing smiley, we need to find out from the down here. D option is the correct missing item for 2 number. For number 2, we'll write down D over here in the given box. Just like we do with all other squares given to us, we need to find out the missing item from here. We need to put the correct alphabet as an answer in the answer part. Chapter number 4, ordering. Last, assignment number 21. In this one also, just like assignment 20, we need to find out the correct missing figure for each of these. First one is a triangle. Let's see where the missing triangle is. It's here, option C. So we'll write down option C in the given box right beside number 1. Then this triangle, but here we need one colored triangle, colored with blue and red color. Let's find out. It is right here, option A. We'll write down here. So this is how we will do with all other cases, and we'll find out the missing figure from options given down here and write down the correct alphabets with each of the boxes. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day to all of you.